Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We just got to possibly one of our strangest campsites ever. It is in Billings, Montana, and it is in a Cabela's parking lot. There we are, right over there. Mr. Cameraman is getting our Starlink internet set up. And then right next to that's actually something pretty interesting. Right here, they have a dog kennel. So I guess if you didn't want to leave your dog in the camper with you overnight, you could put them out here. They also have poop bags, and then there's something even cooler in the back I have to show you. And this is what's so cool. All the way in the back, they have a little horse stable. So if you have horses, you can leave them out here. So they call this the horse corral area. Temporary kennels, and Cabela's is not responsible for any lost or injured pets. So they have the horse corral and the dog kennels. Now Zena and I are going to indulge in our most favorite activity, shopping. Oh, and did we mention it's free? You don't have to pay to park here. You just can camp here for free. And of course, me and Zena had to, holy guacamole, guys. Look at how huge that fish is. It just opened its mouth. The fish are ginormous. Zena, the fish is the size of you. And then of course, all of the really cool animals all the way around. I always talk about, I think it's the coolest thing ever. So God created all of these beautiful creatures, and I mean, we're so in love with them that we want to stare at them. Look at that big thing that's hanging down off of its antler. Then they've got all these little ones. A pronghorn. Zena is getting all like nervous from looking at these huge animals. She probably thinks they're all real. Well, they are real, but she probably thinks they're alive. That thing is huge. Look at that giant bear. And it looks like there's some sheeps up there. Really, really cool. That's a really cool display up there. I just can't figure out why a deer would be in a boat. And then they've got all of the animals around the edge. Look at the bear. You guys definitely need to come check this place out. But me and Zena got some stuff inside I want to show you real fast. Our life verse is go into your food gladness and drink your wine with joy, for heart, for God has already approved what you do. Ecclesiastes 9:7. So we got some beer cheese, Bass Pro Shops beer cheese soup mix. We got This Is Crazy ready to eat pepperoni pizza, ready to eat apple turnovers, and these birthday cake marshmallow bite things. So we are very excited to try those. And I think that's pretty much it. We have shown you guys this very cool but very non-traditional campground. You should definitely come check it out. Again, we are in Montana. Super cool. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.